Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Xerox, and today I'm going to show you how you can download the IDM full version for free on your computer. But before getting started, please make sure that you have disabled all the antiviruses or Windows Defender you have on your computer, because that might corrupt the cracked file suspecting that as a virus. Okay, now check the description box and there you will find the Google Drive link. Follow that link and you will find a zip file. Download it and extract it. After extracting the zip file, you will get a folder and follow that folder. And in that folder you will get an application. Just install it. Note: once you install this application, it will automatically install the IDM extension to all the browsers you have. So this might take a little bit, or you might feel some lag. Here you go, you got the IDM full version for free. If this video really worked for you, then please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. This will mean a lot to me. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.